Have you ever dreamed of speaking English confidently and effortlessly? Imagine the feeling of being able to express your thoughts and ideas without hesitation, to engage in conversations with ease, and to connect with people from all over the world. This dream is not just a fantasy. It is entirely within your reach. Imagine yourself traveling the world, communicating with people from all walks of life, and expressing yourself clearly and effectively. Picture yourself navigating through different cultures, making new friends, and experiencing the richness of diverse perspectives. The ability to speak English fluently can transform your travel experiences, making them more enriching and fulfilling. This dream can become a reality. With dedication, practice, and the right resources, you can achieve English fluency. It's a journey that requires effort, but the rewards are immense. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel as you reach each milestone, gaining confidence and proficiency along the way. Fluency in English opens doors to countless opportunities, both personally and professionally. Whether you're looking to advance in your career, pursue higher education, or simply broaden your horizons, mastering English can be a game changer. It can lead to better job prospects, higher salaries, and the ability to work in international environments. In today's globalized world, English has become the lingua franca, the language of international communication. It is the bridge that connects people from different countries and cultures. By speaking English fluently, you can participate in global conversations, access a wealth of information, and stay updated with the latest developments in various fields. Whether you aspire to pursue higher education abroad, advance your career, or simply connect with people from different cultures, English fluency is your key. It enables you to study at prestigious universities, collaborate with international colleagues, and build meaningful relationships with people from diverse backgrounds. It empowers you to break down barriers, bridge cultural divides, and unlock a world of possibilities. By mastering English, you can overcome language obstacles, foster mutual understanding, and contribute to a more connected and harmonious world. But the benefits of speaking English fluently go far beyond practical advantages. It also enriches your personal growth, enhances your cognitive abilities, and broadens your perspective. Learning a new language challenges your brain, improves your memory, and sharpens your problem-solving skills. It also boosts your self-confidence and expands your horizons. As you become more proficient, you'll find yourself more willing to take on new challenges, explore new opportunities, and step out of your comfort zone. When you can communicate effectively in English, you feel a sense of accomplishment, a newfound freedom to express yourself without limitations. This confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, making you more assertive, proactive, and open to new experiences. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey toward English fluency, let's dive in, embrace the challenge, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your goal. In the following sections, we'll explore practical steps, effective techniques, and valuable resources that will guide you every step of the way. from mastering grammar and vocabulary to improving your speaking and listening skills, will cover everything you need to know to become fluent in English. Remember, fluency is not a destination, but a journey. And with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your language goals. Stay committed, practice regularly, and enjoy the process of learning and growing. Section 1. Just begin. Your journey to English fluency starts now. The first step toward fluency is simply to begin. It might sound obvious, but taking that initial step is often the hardest part. Many people hesitate, waiting for the perfect moment or until they feel completely ready. But the truth is, there's no better time to start than now. The journey to fluency is a marathon, not a sprint, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel ready, because the truth is, there's no better time to start than now. Time is always moving forward, and the sooner you begin, the sooner you'll see progress. Even if you can only dedicate a few minutes each day, consistency is key. Those minutes will add up over time, leading to significant improvement. Embrace the learning process with enthusiasm and a positive attitude, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Section 2. Celebrate progress. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Celebrate your small victories along the way, whether it's understanding a new word, completing a lesson, or having a conversation in English. Section 3. Immerse yourself. One of the most effective ways to immerse yourself in the English language is to surround yourself with it as much as possible. Listen to English music, podcasts, and audiobooks. The more you hear the language, the more familiar it will become. This passive listening can significantly improve your comprehension and pronunciation over time. Watch movies and TV shows, especially those with subtitles. This not only helps you understand the context, but also allows you to see how words are spelled and used in sentences. Choose content that interests you, as this will keep you engaged and motivated to continue learning. Read books and articles on topics that interest you. Reading is a fantastic way to expand your vocabulary and improve your understanding of grammar and sentence structure. Start with simpler texts and gradually move on to more complex materials as your confidence grows. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will become. Make English a part of your daily routine. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or relaxing at home, find ways to incorporate English into your activities. This constant exposure will help reinforce what you've learned and make the language feel more intuitive. Section 4. Speak without fear. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process and provide valuable opportunities for growth and improvement. Each mistake you make is a chance to learn something new and to refine your skills. They help you identify areas where you need more practice and give you the opportunity to correct and improve. Embrace your mistakes, learn from them, and move forward with confidence. Working with a tutor or joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. These resources offer personalized feedback and support, helping you to address your weaknesses and build on your strengths. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. They faced the same challenges and made similar mistakes. What sets them apart is their persistence and willingness to keep going despite the difficulties. Section 5. Listen like a native. Listening is the cornerstone of language acquisition. It is the first step in the journey of mastering any language. Just like a child learns their native tongue by listening to their parents and caregivers, absorbing the sounds, rhythms, and patterns of speech, you too can develop fluency in English by immersing yourself in the sounds of the language. This immersion helps you become familiar with the natural flow and nuances of English. Start by listening to simple English audio materials, such as podcasts for beginners or audiobooks with clear narration. These resources are designed to be accessible and engaging. Focus on understanding the overall meaning of what you're hearing, rather than getting caught up in every single word. This approach will help you build confidence and comprehension skills. As you progress, gradually increase the difficulty level of the materials you choose. Challenge yourself with more complex content to continue improving. Pay attention to the rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation of native speakers. These elements are crucial for sounding natural and fluent. Mimic their speech patterns and try to imitate their accent. This practice will help you internalize the sounds and improve your speaking skills. Section 6. Expand your vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is crucial for expressing yourself fluently and accurately. The more words you know, the easier it will be to understand and communicate effectively in English. Make reading a habit. Choose books, articles, and other written materials that interest you and are appropriate for your current level. As you encounter new words, look them up in a dictionary and try to understand their meaning and context. Use flashcards or vocabulary-building apps to memorize new words and their definitions. Practice using these words in sentences to reinforce your understanding and improve your ability to recall them. Section 7. Write your way to fluency. Writing is a powerful tool for improving your grammar, vocabulary, and overall fluency. When you write, you have more time to think about your ideas and how to express them accurately. Start by writing short paragraphs or journal entries about your day, your thoughts, or anything else that comes to mind. Don't worry too much about grammar or spelling at this stage. The goal is to get your ideas down on paper. As you progress, challenge yourself to write longer pieces, such as essays or short stories. Ask a teacher or tutor to review your writing and provide feedback on your grammar and vocabulary. Section 8. Embrace mistakes. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the learning process. Don't let them discourage you or hold you back. Instead, embrace your mistakes as valuable learning opportunities. When you make a mistake, don't be afraid to ask for clarification or correction. View it as a chance to learn something new and improve your understanding. The more mistakes you make, the more you will learn. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. They all made mistakes along the way. What sets them apart is their persistence, their willingness to learn from their mistakes, and their unwavering belief in their ability to achieve fluency. Section 9. Find your tribe. Learning English doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide motivation, support, and a sense of camaraderie. Join English conversation groups, attend language exchange events, or connect with other learners online. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes with others can make the learning process more enjoyable and rewarding. Learning from others is a valuable way to improve your fluency. Pay attention to how other learners use the language. Ask questions, and don't be afraid to share your own insights. Section 10. Never give up. Fluency is a marathon, not a sprint. Achieving fluency in English is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges and breakthroughs. The key is to never give up on your dream of speaking English fluently. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Consistency and perseverance are key. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and never stop learning. The rewards of fluency are well worth the effort. Thank you.